What's up everybody, my name is Bobby and today I have a real quick unboxing video for you of the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max in the deep purple color. So I went ahead and ordered this guy for pickup this morning, raced over to the store. Was one of the first people in line. If you want to see the link to that pickup vlog, I will link that down below. But without further ado, I'm super excited to just jump into it. Let's go ahead and take a look. So we got the little standard Apple pull tabs here. So we'll go ahead and remove those. And then the magic unveil. Whoa. That is super slick. Wow, it's a little darker than I was expecting, actually. Interesting. So it almost kind of has like a black color vibe to it. Oh, that is so clean. It feels weight-wise exactly like the 13 Pro Max. It doesn't feel different. That camera bump, though, is definitely bigger. And I really think it was a nice design choice to have these two aspects of the phone, a darker purple and kind of more reflective. I think it just looks so sleek. Those outside bezels kind of have like a hint of purple, but it really does kind of almost like, you know, if you hold it down here, it looks almost like the black phone. But then as you kind of show it in the light, it definitely shows more hints of that purple. So before we kind of crack into that, you're gonna get your USB-C to lightning cable, and then the little informational pamphlet with your solo Apple sticker. It looks like now there's some information about transferring to an eSIM, which I will also do a video on for people in a similar situation. It definitely varies depending on your carrier and what phone exactly you got, but I personally got the unlocked iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'm currently on AT&T, so I will show you what that process looks like from a, you know, how to set up your phone and transfer it, you know, accordingly. So now for the final unveil, go ahead and, most satisfying part of the whole experience. And then you can already see the notch right there. It's like the dynamic island, which is pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and hold this down. Boom. Man, that looks good. Look at that. Dynamic island, baby. Cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up. If you're interested in any of my iPhone 14 Pro Max coverage, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will also be doing videos on the brand new Apple Watch Ultra along with the new AirPods as those start to roll out. Just wanted to get this out for you guys so you could see kind of what you're in store for if you get the deep purple, what that unboxing situation looks like. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time, peace.